Alright, welcome everybody. Today's video, we are over here at Sai Nuan Beach here at Koh Tao. It's a small little beach. It's broke up into 3 little pieces. And there's some kind of a cool looking little bar and a cool looking little restaurant that we're going to take a look at. And then we'll look at it around and see what all it looks like. And I'll fly the drone here so you can see it. Now this is kind of a cool spot here for people to go on the boat tours. They can come over here and they can snorkel and see the coral and everything. So let's look around at the beach and see what all it looks like. This is what the beach looks like, the first part of it. And right there is some places to go snorkeling. And right over there, that is the coolest looking little restaurant bar. They built it out on the piers and it overlooks the water. And right here is a pretty nice little sandy spot, has a little bit of coral. And then here's the Sai Nuan restaurant. Looks like they have some bungalows and stuff also. It looks like 150 baht for all cocktails, or bath as they say it. And the sand does have a little bit of coral to it, but it is quite nice. Most of these beaches here will have quite a bit of the rocks, just because of part of the deal here with all the coral reefs. You can see here, this part here is probably about 60 meters long or so. And then I've seen quite a few people right in here snorkeling, and they can rent equipment right here. And then on the other side is another part of the reef, and that's where the tour boats come. So you have the Siam Cookies restaurant, and has some little cottages up on the hill. So over here, this is the banana bar, and it just looks awesome. I love the way it looks. Probably be a pretty fun place to have like dinner, hang out. Now you should be able to see a little bit of the sunsets from over here, but it probably isn't the best place for the sunset. Probably better to go over towards Sai Beach or somewhere like that. It has these rocks here that kind of break up this little part. It has a swing underneath. Yeah, that's interesting. It looks like it's where he lives up above there. And he's out here raking up some leaves and all of that right now. Okay, so let's walk through here. Now this used to be a hotel, but it's abandoned now. It's closed up. Yeah, this used to be the Sai Tong Resort. And right here was the restaurant, but it's out of business. Probably the border closings and all of that killed it. Plus, it's kind of an out-of-the-way place. This is down in the southwest corner, and it's away from most of the tourists. And here is this little section, the second little section of the beach. Has a nice little cove here with some sand and some more of these big rocks. And then you can see right over there, there is one of the tour boats. So they're out here on a day tour doing snorkeling. And this is one of the stops here along this beach. Yeah, this used to be a pretty cool looking place. Now it's all closed up, but what is going on right up here is there's some people that are squatting there. I can see they pitched a tent. And I walked by and I saw them out there naked on the porch. I didn't record that. And you can see this is all abandoned up. And this is the third little section of this beach. This is probably the best part of it. This is the best place to just relax on the beach. You can see up back in there is the jungle. And then here's quite a few people that are snorkeling. And then that's that oxygen tour. So it just, the second part was right there on the other side of these big rocks. So this would probably be a pretty nice place to come over here. If you didn't want to take the tour, just come up here to the beach, bring your own equipment, and then you can snorkel all you want. And you can see there's a few shade trees, and they're doing a little bit of remodeling over here on something. They brought one of these long taos in. Yeah, this is a nice little cove right here. And back in there, some of the little cottages that they have. You can see it has these palms and everything here for a little bit of shade. And then the sand does have quite a bit of rock, but it's not too bad right here. It's probably more corally over towards those big boulders by that first section I showed. And these guys are big Man U fans. And right over here, this is the end of the beach. Yeah, these look like part of that resort maybe that's closed up. So maybe these guys are just packing all this off for scrap, since it's this resort is all done. All right, guys, that's going to finish up a pretty quick little video over here at Sai Nuan Beach. This is nice enough. I enjoy this little beach. The sand is probably medium on this island. It's not the worst, and it's not the best by far. And the water is really, really nice, of course. And it looks like there's more to do here than just relax underneath the shade trees, go out, do a little bit of snorkeling and all of that. And it's quite nice. I'm gonna try to fly the drone around, so I'll fly the drone up and you get a good aerial view of what this looks like. So I'll see what it does, and hopefully I won't crash it into the water. So anyway, guys, if you like this video from over here at Sai Nuan Beach, smash the like button and leave me a comment. Tell me if you've been here before, tell me what you think. If you've stayed at this resort that's gone now, let me know. If you've ever been here, or if you want to come, or if you have any questions, let me know in a comment also. So from over here at Sai Nuan in Koh Tao, remember guys, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.